Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how in less than 10 minutes you can do an UGC style video like this one.
I just got out of my favorite fitness class at Flow and Form. It's seriously the highlight of my week. I love their energy and the vibe. Plus, the instructors are amazing and make you feel so confident. If you're in South Beach, you have to check it out. They're offering a buy one, get one class for free, so there's literally no excuse. Go check it out.
Okay, so here's how you do it. We are going to use HeyGen for the video creation and 11 Labs to do some sound effects, and I will also show you the text-to-speech, which is super good, and you can use it to really get an improvement on your videos. But one thing at a time, let's start with the video itself. So in HeyGen, you go here, create a video, select avatar, and then you can do either portrait or landscape. Let's go for portrait. And then you can see here that they have the possibility for you to do your own avatar and your own videos, and it's actually very good. And I already tested a bit earlier today, but what I want to show you is this UGC one. So they have a bunch of public avatars that you can pick, but the most realistic ones for me are these UGC ones here. So they have a bunch of ones that you can select, and each one of them has a bunch of looks. So if we click here, we can see that this one has a bunch of different looks inside the car, outside. There's ones here that have in different places, as you can see. And the one I used in that video was this one because I liked the style inside the car, and it really looked very realistic. And so I'm going to show you the example. So here is where you select the video, and then here is where you can type the script if you want to do the script inside HeyGen. And you can see that they give a default one right here. And if we click on play, it will start updating the audio, and then we'll be able to hear with the voice of this audio.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen.
Here it is. So you can hear the original voice from the video, but you can also change like the default one that comes, but you can change with other voices that they have here. So I'm going to show you some.
Hello, this is how I sound.
Hello, this is what I sound. Hello, this is how I sound.
Hello, this is how I.
And you get the point. So you can type here whatever you want. So I just got out of my favorite coffee shop in downtown, for example, something like that. I did a similar one previously. I will show you then how it is after we render, because it takes some time to render. But you can choose that, and it will load. So if we click play again, it will take a bit, and then we'll be able to hear it.
I just got out of my favorite coffee shop in downtown.
All right, as you can see, simple. You cannot see, of course, the video, how it will look like while you are here, because the video has to render, and the mouth, the person, everything has to be in relation to what you wrote in the text-to-speech. So it takes some time to render. The bigger it is, the more time it will take, of course. But that's why you cannot see it here. Now, if you want to make it a bit more realistic, what you can do is go to 11 Labs, and this sound is very professional. The ones you get either through HeyGen, through the video, or directly here on the text-to-speech from 11 Labs. Even though it's very, very good, it's like a studio quality almost. So maybe in post-production, what you want to do is take that and edit a bit, the sound to be a bit muffled down. So this is the example I did for the video I showed you in the beginning. You can see here the whole script. And what happened here is you can select from a bunch of voices, including your own, if you upload it, or you do all the work you need to have it. You can select some models, but then you can select the stability, similarity, and style exaggeration, which you have to play around a lot with these ones in order to get exactly to the point you wanted to make it realistic. Because by playing with these and by changing here the pauses and how everything works is how you are going to get the sound that you want. Because sometimes you need to take some dots out and keep everything together so that the pause is not too long. Maybe you have to, I don't know, add commas or add a lot of dots. You'll have to really play around with the text and the vibe that you're trying to get out of the video. And of course, after in editing, you can always edit a bit more to make it sound realistic, or maybe to cut some stuff that you don't want to have. But really play around a lot with how you write the text, and then with these variables here, if you are using 11 Labs, if you're using HeyGen, you can also do a bit here, some adjustments. Now, another cool thing from 11 Labs is that you can use sound effects. So I used this one previously to test. So if we say we are inside a car, windows closed, there's cars passing by in the exterior and people talking far away, but it's all muffled because we are inside the car, and I click generate. It takes a bit of time, but it will generate this. And maybe you also have to play around a bit because you know it's an LLM, so you have to edit the text to your wish, but you will get some good generation. So let's hear some examples. Okay, so these are just examples. You can put like keys also to then put on top. You can put people talking inside a coffee shop, wind, waves, planes. You can do whatever you want, literally, and you don't have to look for the sound effect somewhere. And maybe you are looking for a specific combination of sound effects that you can do just by prompting these, and then download them, and you're going to be good to go. Now, I'm going to show you how putting one thing like this of, the volume or the sounds of inside the car and ambient sounds, plus this video that we just did here with the favorite coffee shop in downtown. And I'm going to show you at the end the render, because once you click once you click submit and you do the name for the file, the resolution, etc., and you click submit, it's going to take a while. Even for this short video, it can take a couple minutes to get it exported. So I'm going to show you how it looks like now, these two combined, and I hope then you go use this for your own and have some fun, because this is super cool and you can really do a lot of good things for business content, and literally you will have a lot of possibilities with this. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you like and subscribe if you got some value out of this, and I'll see you on my next video. This is the final product.
I just got out of my favorite coffee shop in downtown.